Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to lock screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. First, open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now, scroll down again and tap on Guided Access. From here, enable Guided Access. After that, enable Accessibility shortcut as well. Keep it in mind that when you triple press the side button during a guided access session, accessibility shortcut settings will be displayed. Now go back to accessibility and tap on accessibility shortcut. From here, drag guided access all the way to the top. Once it's done, go to accessibility again. Now scroll up and tap on touch. From here, tap on assistive touch. Then go to Custom Actions and tap on Single Tap. From here, select None. And then tap on Customize Top Level menu. From here, you can add or remove icons. Once you're done, go back and get out of Settings. Now, open your YouTube app. From here, scroll through or search and play any video that you want. After playing the video, if you want to lock the screen and disable touchscreen, then go to full screen mode. From here, just triple press on the power button. Now your screen will be locked, so make sure the video is playing. Now tap on Options and then turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.